Pakistan straight to your hearts, Neelofar. And please join me in giving a warm welcome to the man himself everybody's been waiting for. He's an actor, icon, musician, superstar, everyone's heartthrob, and the producer of Nilofer. Chicago, let's give a warm, warm welcome to the one and only Fawad Khan. We can do better than this, right, Chicago? Yes.
Excuse me, मेरी बेटी भी
So Fawad, welcome to Chicago. It looks like you truly got a warm Chicago welcome with the snowfall and all.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. The warmth of the people here is made up for the weather. It's, I actually, with no disrespect intended to any of the other cities, Chicago is actually, has become truly one of my favorite cities of the US. Not just because of the people, but because it's famous for so many things, and especially the architecture. I think Chicago is a beautiful city. And obviously a beautiful city is made beautiful by beautiful people as well.
Thank you. Before we begin, I have a very important question for you. Have you tried our deep dish pizza yet?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I think 10 years ago, or maybe slightly earlier than that. Maybe it's been a longer time than that. The first time I came to Chicago, I went to Giordano's and had it was a courtesy of a friend of ours who lives here. So we went and tried the deep dish pizza. But Chicago hot dogs are the best.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I really like.
Well, you know, it's cold outside, so let's warm our hearts a little bit. We'd like to have a nice hot cup of coffee from Arwa Yemeni Coffee, USA. They are here to present, warm you up a little bit and present the coffee. Well, I hope you all get to enjoy Arwa coffee. It's here in Naperville. Please go and enjoy it. Well, now you have your coffee, so let's talk a little bit about the journey of Nilofer. How does it feel to bring a Pakistani story like Nilofer to an international city like Chicago?
It always feels amazing for your art to be appreciated beyond a certain point. And Nilofer, as I said earlier, it went through a lot of trials, a lot of tribulations over the years while we were shooting it. But the one thing that stayed constant in it was that our love for Lahore. It is a city that showcases the city that I've grown up in, and that plays as the third character. And what I've noticed with most of the community abroad is that it brought back those feelings, the feeling of nostalgia, the winters of Lahore, and the sights of Lahore. So it feels amazing for it to be appreciated, especially by the expat community. Yeah.
Is the coffee hot?
It's wonderful. It's amazing.
Do you think global audiences connect differently to the theme of the movie?
I don't know actually. The past few days have been a bit of a whirlwind. I don't know. In Houston, I felt like I was about to keel over because of the amount of travel that we've been going through the past month promoting the film. So, but I can definitely say that the love that we're getting, especially from the cities of US, I'm sorry, I forgot your question now. While talking, see, that's what's happening right now.
Do the audiences connect differently?
Yeah, so this is what I feel in connection to the previous question as well. The kind of love that is pouring out towards it, because I feel वो होता है ना कि जब आप मुल्क से दूर होते हैं, चाहे आप पाकिस्तानी हो, इंडियन हो, बांग्लादेशी हो, श्रीलंकन हो, or the entire Southeast Asian people, when they're away from home, something that reminds them of home, it really resonates with them and they respond differently. So I feel, yeah, that's where we're making a different connection here.
Amazing. That's amazing, guys. Is there anything in Nilofer that you feel represents Pakistani culture in a way that international viewers will appreciate? I know you just mentioned about the Lahore and the vibe of Lahore, but anything else?
Urdu is not just a Lahori thing. It's a subcontinent thing. So the language itself is the greatest representative of our culture, and I feel that is something that we really tried to highlight in this film.
If you could describe Nilofer in 3 words only to our Chicago audience, what would they be?
The movie or the character?
The movie.
The movie. Neelofar is pure love and aesthetic. That's what it is, I think. Yeah. And if I were to say it, would be wrong. I would be remiss if I didn't say it's Mahira, Mahira, and Mahira.
Is more than Humsafar?
Sorry?
More than Humsafar?
More than Humsafar what?
Your drama, Humsafar drama.
Yeah, Humsafar तो एक आप लोगों के लिए classic है, and I really appreciate the love
उसके
for that. But
मुकाबले
this is
पे है ये?
नहीं, मैं ये तो नहीं कहूँगा. It's a different world altogether.
So Mahira as a co-star or Mahira as a friend?
I think as a friend. Yeah.
As a friend.
Friend. Yeah. Friend.
Friend.
I've been seeing packed shows everywhere, from New Jersey, Houston, Toronto, London. How has the audience reaction been so far outside of the scope of where you've been?
It's been amazing. I'm grateful, and I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier.
What message would you like to give the audiences who still have not had a chance to see the movie yet?
What message? यार हमारी फिल्म आगे देखिए. इससे ज़्यादा क्या कह सकते हो? इसमें कोई ऐसा ढका छुपा जो है फलसफा नहीं है. बस आप देखना चाहें तो आके देखें.
Well, we're going to have some more fun tonight, but before the games begin, it's time to recognize the driving force behind today's celebration. His commitment, resilience, unstoppable energy ensured that this event happened in spite and despite the snowstorm. And the event came to life exactly the way it's supposed to be. He is known for elevating every event with something unusual and unexpected, and today is no exception. Please help me in warmly welcoming the powerhouse of Kash Khan events, the man himself, Kash Khan. Kash, please say a few words.
Thank you, Chicago. Wisconsin, Indiana, all the suburbs, Naperville, Downers Grove, Schaumburg, Roselle, Niles, Devon, downtown, each and every city and every suburb. Thank you. सबसे important शुक्रिया फवाद भाई का. Saturday he waited at the EWR New Jersey airport for almost 6.5 hours. 5 times his flight got delayed, multiple times, and we tried to extend the timing also for the event, but at the end the flight got cancelled and we rescheduled the show. And he is the man of his commitment and he honored his word. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
काशी भाई पिक्चर टाइम.
So we have a little.
बेटा पिक्चर टाइम आजा बेटा.
Thank you. We have a little surprise for you. A little bird told us that it was your birthday on November 29th. The day the event was supposed to happen, guys, it was his actual birthday, and he was still going to come here So we are going to celebrate your birthday really quick, if that's okay with you. All right, so सुरेश जी आप फोटो ले लो एक अब.
हाँ बस यही तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कब का यार.
सुरेश भाई जल्दी आ जाइए.
This is from Kashif.
अरे बेटा एक मिनट कैसे होता है. थैंक यू.
Come on, bring the cake. Hopefully you will love it.
सॉरी.
Itna bada cake, someone gonna come out of it.
Well, it's not that big a surprise.
Picture the cake, custom made cake. Hassan bhai, please. Hassan bhai, please come.
Is this a real thing?
Yes, it's a real cake.
हेलो भाई इट्स शो टाइम.
Yes.
All right, guys, let's do this together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Fawad.
It's all right.
Happy birthday to you. Give it up for Fawad Khan.
सर एक पिक्चर हो जाए प्लीज सर. हेलो बेटा.
सूर्य जी मूवमेंट भी
निकाल
enjoy
दो
करें.
वैसे. Thank you.
Best shot pictures.
Thank you so much. नहीं वो आई थिंक उल्टे लग गए बेचारे. कोई मसला नहीं. Thank you. Thank you.
Go. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
काशिफ भाई यहाँ देखो भाई प्लीज. वन मोर टाइम. काशिफ भाई वन मोर टाइम प्लीज.
All right, give it up for Fawad Khan, guys.
एक पिक्चर हो जाए भाई प्लीज.
Please.
काशिफ भाई.
Yeah.
अरे आ जाओ भाई. बेटा आ जा तू.
हाँ जी.
हेलो सर प्लीज.
Once again.
हेलो प्लीज.
Ahmed, come here. Ahmed, come here. Come. Okay. Take the picture.
हेलो बेटा लुक एट हियर प्लीज. आई एम नॉट डन.
Okay.
थैंक यू. अरे एक मिनट नुमान.
बशीर भाई केक उठा लीजिए. Come.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Can I have the mic?
Thank you.
Hello. So, we just have a quick game. Fawad, are you ready for some rapid fire round?